Workers' compensation is a system of law in Illinois that protects injured workers. Particularly, it is a no-fault system, and that means that your employer can't say this accident is your fault or that you should have been more careful. And this is because accidents happen, and they typically happen at work, and people are often terribly hurt. The benefits that are provided in workers' compensation come in three different forms. The first one is medical care. And under workers' compensation law, you are entitled to the best medical care that is possible to provide. You get to choose the care, and we recommend that you choose the best care because we want you to get back to work as quickly as possible and as fully as possible with the fewest disabilities possible. You're also entitled to off-work pay for the time that your doctor says you're off work. And in addition, at the end of the case, you are entitled to an award. And this award is based upon the part of your body that is injured and the nature and extent of the injury. It covers all risks associated with your injury. It covers repetitive trauma, for instance. If you have a job that requires you to constantly use your hands and you develop carpal tunnel syndrome, it will cover your carpal tunnel syndrome. It covers work-associated events that occur even away from work. For instance, a softball game for the office team. Or if you're a traveling employee, an injury that occurs at a convention in Las Vegas, for example, or wherever you may happen to be. Work does not need to be the sole cause of your injury, just a causative factor. And a good way of describing that would be, let's imagine you have a pre-existing back condition, where you have a herniated disc in your back, and your back is bad. But you go to work and you have an accident and it makes your condition worse. It aggravates it, accelerates it. In that accident, you are covered by workers' compensation law. One of the great aspects of workers' compensation law is if your medical treatment or your off-work pay is interrupted, if they refuse to pay for it, you have a right to an immediate hearing. You don't have to wait till the end of the case. You can have a hearing to get your benefits restarted, to get your medical treatment covered. And as a final aside, the law specifically does not allow your employer to retaliate against you for filing a workers' comp case. If you have an open workers' comp case, your employer cannot fire you because the legal presumption is they did it because you exercised your rights, and that itself is a violation of the law.
If you would like a free consultation, call us at 773-823-9000 or fill out a form in the Contact Us portion of our website at berg&berg.net.